Tired of fumbling with cash or cards at Walmart? I'm here to show you how to pay with Venmo at Walmart, unlocking a convenient and contactless way to shop. Let's dive in step by step. First, make sure your Venmo app is up to date by checking the App Store or Google Play Store. An updated app ensures compatibility with Walmart's payment systems. Open the Venmo app on your phone, then tap the scan button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This activates your phone's camera. At the Walmart checkout, look for the QR code displayed on the payment terminal screen. It's often labeled as Walmart Pay. Aim your phone's camera at the QR code. Make sure the code is clearly visible within the viewfinder. Venmo should automatically recognize and scan the code. After scanning, your Venmo app will display the total purchase amount. Review it carefully to ensure it's correct. Tap the Pay button to authorize the payment. You might be prompted to verify your identity with your fingerprint, Face ID, or Venmo PIN. Once the payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation screen in the Venmo app. The cashier will also receive confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully paid with Venmo at Walmart. This works both in store and for some online purchases. Enjoy the convenience.